Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 3 of the weekly expert live classes. There are naysayers who criticize that Wealthy Affiliate has only 2 core training and are outdated. So, in this series, I aim to show everyone that Wealthy Affiliate has more than just 2 courses, the 2 core courses. There is the user-generated training as well as the live classes, such as this week's lessons. For the week of January 17 to 23rd, 2022, the topics are setting your business goals, researching keywords within a niche, using Canva to make Pinterest pin images, videos, and infographics, how to create great Instagram content, opportunity of the growing natural pet care niche, and understanding and researching competitive intelligence. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. The roadmap to success and growth in a business requires ambition and achievable goals. In this live class, Carl will be walking you through the mindset that you need to create a substantial business. He will also discuss how to carve yourself out as an authority within the MMO Make Money Online space in the year ahead. To watch this live class, you have to be a Premium or Premium Plus Wealthy Affiliate member. Although some of the live classes are also available to the free starter members. So go to the video description below and click on the link to join Wealthy Affiliate and gain valuable knowledge. When you join Wealthy Affiliate as a premium member, you will also be able to watch and learn from this live class by expert trainer Jay. He talks to you about the process of researching keywords to discover keywords with search intent within your chosen niche. Watch and learn how he breaks down the process to find a wide range of niche-related keywords. In this class by Vitaly, you will learn the benefits of using Canva, especially for use with Pinterest. He will share his pins done on Pinterest, including the ones he personally made at the Canva site. These pins range from images to videos to infographics. At its heart, Instagram is all about sharing great photos and images. In this live class by Eric, he shows you how you can create a great feed that drives interest with some basic knowledge of photography. Natural pet care is a growing niche with many new categories and facets being established as this relatively new industry continues to grow and evolve. The opportunities are vast and the audience is one with a lot of capital. People spend a lot of money on their pets. In this live class, Carl will dissect his niche and show you some high-yielding research strategies that produce incredible keywords, affiliate programs, and opportunities. Having intel beyond your initial research is important for continued growth. It also helps your business from plateauing. In this live class by Jay, you will learn everything about researching your competitors. Also, you will learn how to leverage this important information to your advantage. Every week, Wealthy Affiliate adds more training that covers important business and digital marketing topics, strategies, and tactics. While they do have 2 core courses, this platform is so much more than that because of the live classes. As you have seen in this video, this week's live classes covered topics such as setting your business goals, researching keywords within a niche, using Canva to make Pinterest pins, images, videos, and infographics, how to create great Instagram content, opportunity of the growing natural pet care niche, and understanding and researching competitive intelligence. The live classes add to the 2 core courses, and there are thousands of them. They cover a wide range of topics such as business, web hosting, email marketing, video marketing, and more. That is why I find Wealthy Affiliate so worth it. And so do many of my peers and even university professors. So go join at least as a premium member. Go to the description below and click on the link there now. Do you have any questions about today's topic in this video, that is keyword research, make Pinterest images with Canva and more, the episode 3 of the weekly expert live classes? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.